friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So today we are going to discuss a very important yet common error that many users face while creating a material from a new company code. So let's see what type of error is this. So the error is company code FK11 does not exist or has not been fully maintained. Now let's see in system how and where you will face this error. So in order to see this, we need to go to MM01 T code. Then here we need to select our industry sector and material type. So my material type is ZRWP. Then we will select our views like basic data 1, purchasing view, plant or storage view, and last accounting view. Then we will click on adopt. Then we'll select our plant and storage location. So now you can see the error message over here. Now let's move on to the solution on how to resolve this error. So for this we need to go to OMSY code. Then click on position and enter our company code. Double click on company code, and here we need to maintain two things. First one is physical year variant and second one is chart of account. So physical year variant can be selected from the options available in this list. In my case, my physical year variant is V3, which is April to March with 4 special periods. So I will enter V3 in physical year variant. Then we need to enter chart of account. So in my case, chart of account is CAIN. So I will enter CAIN and I will click on save. Once I clicked on save, my OBY6 setting has been maintained. So after this, we need to go to OMSY T code and maintain the posting periods for our company code. So for this, we need to go to /n OMSY. So this is material management view on company code. So here I will click on position. I will search my company code, and here I need to maintain my current year and period, so which is 2025 and period is 9. Also we should activate this ABP indicator, which is allow back posting indicator. If this is enabled, you can post the document in previous period. So in our case, previous period is 08/2025. So I will click on save, and both the settings are maintained. Now we'll check in MM01. So I will enter industry sector. I'll enter my material type, which is ZRWP. Enter. I will select my views: basic data 1, purchasing view, general plan data or storage view, and accounting view. Then I will click on adopt. I will enter my plant and storage location. So FK0 is my plant, storage location SL01. And see, now the error is not visible, and we can create the material. So in this way, this error has been resolved. So friends, that's it for today's session. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped you understand why this error occurs and how you can resolve it in SAP. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I will try my best to help in resolving them. And if you face any other SAP error that you are unable to resolve, just type the exact error message in the comments and we will prepare a video on the same. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with another useful SAP tips and videos. Thank you.